Yes, itu dia Kodaline yang akhirnya gelar konser tunggal di Indonesia. Nah, tapi teman kita nih Gita beruntung banget karena bisa wawancara langsung sama mereka, bahkan nonton konser juga. Wah, gimana ya keseruannya? Ini dia liputannya.
It takes me back to where we started. When you let it go out and start again. Hopes when it all comes to an end, but the world keeps spinning.
Yay!
Yeah.
Steven, Vincent.
Hey Indonesia, we're so happy to be back.
Thank you so much for having us in your beautiful country again.
So this is not the first time you came to Indonesia, but this is the first time you have the concert on your own, right?
Yeah, this is our first headline show. It's really special. It was really special for us. It was incredible. We never thought that we'd actually get to do our own headline show in Indonesia. So from playing in Bandung to doing our own show in the Istora Senayan. Is that correct?
Yep.
Senayan?
Istora Senayan.
Istora Senayan.
Senayan.
I need to work on my Indonesian.
It's alright, it's alright. I'm proud of you.
Istora Senayan.
Yes, and a great job.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it was incredible, and we're already making plans to come back, so we can't wait. Thank you so much, Indonesia. We really love you guys.
But this one is your own only, right? No other bands, no other singers. Like, how about the ambiance?
The crowd, there was just an amazing energy in the room. The crowd were incredible. They were, singing along each song, and there's something really special in Indonesia for us. The crowd really connected with the music, and which is the most important thing. And it's incredible. As I said, we can't wait to come back.
And this concert is actually part of your promoting your album as well, Politics of the Living Tour.
We've kind of just been touring ever since. We went to America and we did a European tour, and it's been awesome. And we've just consistently toured, and now into Asia and then Australia, and then we'll do some festivals over the summer. It's been amazing. The reaction to the new songs has been incredible. And our live show now we've 3 albums, so it's kind of hard for us to actually pick the songs that we've already started working on our next album as well.
Oh wow!
So,
is it gonna be launched in next year perhaps?
I'd say next year, yeah.
Next year,
We're gonna hopefully release like an EP or something this year. So.
What kind of message are you trying to deliver to Indonesians?
Yeah, I think it's all about just the music. If our music makes anybody feel good, that's a win for us, Or if it helps somebody get out of a situation, or if it even makes somebody happy when they're already happy, or makes them a little bit happier, that just makes everything worthwhile for us. So it's just about positivity.
We all know that like you made a video clip in Jakarta Street, right?
Yeah.
Any plans to make another video clip, maybe like in another city in Indonesia?
So, and yeah, that clip that we recorded, it was like walking down this little market street,
right?
and it was incredible. It was we were driving around in a van and we just saw it and we were like, yeah, cool, that looks like a fun place.
Since you are in Indonesia, I want to teach you a little bit about Indonesian.
Awesome.
So repeat after me, okay? Lo, gue, kece, abes. Again ya, okay?
Lo, gue, kece, abes.
So we're gonna sing another song, is that okay? All I want.
All I want is nothing more, to hear you knocking at my door. 'Cause if I could see your face once more, I could die a happy man, I'm sure.
One more time.
When you said your last goodbye, I died a little bit inside, and I lay in tears in bed all night, alone without you by my side.
Steven, Vinny!
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Beautiful
very much.
voice.
Thank you.
like the harmony.
Oh ya beneran. Iya, oke.
Tapi gue pernah.
Nah, udah kan nonton beritanya? Jangan lupa di subscribe, di like dan juga di komen ya akun YouTube dari Net Bali. Terima kasih udah subscribe. Yang belum, jangan sampai lupa di sebelah sini nih. Button subscribe.